Welcome back to Billion Dollar Businesses. Today we're exploring the incredible story of one of the world's most influential and profitable companies, Saudi Aramco. With its roots firmly planted in the vast oil fields of Saudi Arabia, Aramco has grown into a multi-trillion-dollar enterprise that plays a crucial role in the global energy market. From its historic beginnings to its modern-day influence, Aramco's journey is both fascinating and complex. So let's dive in to discover how this oil giant became a powerhouse in the energy world. And if you haven't yet, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more in-depth stories of the world's biggest businesses. Saudi Aramco, officially known as the Saudi Arabian Oil Company, is a name synonymous with oil and energy. It's not only the largest oil company in the world, but also one of the most profitable, generating billions of dollars in revenue every year. Aramco's story is intertwined with the history of oil exploration, the economic transformation of Saudi Arabia, and the global demand for energy resources. But how did Aramco achieve such a monumental status? And what does its future look like as the world transitions toward renewable energy sources? The foundation of Saudi Aramco dates back to the early 20th century. In 1933, Saudi Arabia, still a fledgling kingdom, signed a concessionary agreement with Standard Oil of California, now known as Chevron. At that time, no one could have predicted the magnitude of what was about to unfold. In 1938, after years of exploration and drilling, oil was discovered in commercial quantities at the Dammam No. 7 well. This discovery changed everything and set the stage for Saudi Arabia's economic transformation. Aramco, originally named the California Arabian Standard Oil Company, was rebranded in 1944 as the Arabian American Oil Company, or Aramco. By the 1970s, as Saudi Arabia's geopolitical influence grew, the government began to acquire greater control over the company. In 1980, the kingdom completed its nationalization of Aramco, making it a fully state-owned enterprise. The company was then renamed to Saudi Aramco, a true symbol of Saudi sovereignty over its immense oil resources. Major milestones. Saudi Aramco has achieved many significant milestones over the decades that have solidified its position as an energy titan. Discovery and expansion, 1930s to 1950s. After the Dammam No. 7 discovery, Aramco rapidly expanded, uncovering more oil fields throughout Saudi Arabia. The company developed infrastructure that turned the kingdom into one of the world's largest oil exporters, laying the foundation for the country's economic prosperity. Nationalization, 1970s to 1980s. The 1970s were marked by a major geopolitical shift in oil production. In 1973, Saudi Arabia acquired a 25% stake in Aramco, eventually taking full control by 1980. This marked a new era as Saudi Aramco became the national oil company and played a central role in global energy politics. Technological advancements, 1990s to 2000s. Saudi Aramco wasn't just about oil extraction. The company invested heavily in research and development. From advanced seismic imaging to digital oilfield technologies, Aramco has always been at the forefront of technological innovation in the oil industry. The IPO, 2019. One of Aramco's most historic milestones came in December 2019, when it went public, listing a small percentage of its shares on the Saudi Stock Exchange, known as Tadawul. The initial public offering raised a staggering $25.6 billion, making it the largest IPO in history. This move was part of Saudi Arabia's Vision 2030 plan, aimed at diversifying the kingdom's economy away from oil dependency. Despite being a traditional oil company, Saudi Aramco has made significant strides in innovation and sustainability. Ghawar Field. One of Aramco's most iconic projects is the Ghawar Field, the largest conventional oil field in the world. Stretching over 170 miles, Ghawar has produced more oil than any other field in history. It's a true marvel of engineering and resource management. Kurai's megaproject. Aramco's Kurai's field is another engineering wonder, featuring advanced technology for oil extraction and water injection. The field's central processing facility is one of the largest in the world and has a production capacity of over 1.2 million barrels of oil per day. Advanced research. Aramco invests billions in research and development, focusing on cutting-edge technology like carbon capture and storage, as well as enhanced oil recovery methods. The company is also working on developing more sustainable practices, like converting carbon dioxide into useful products and investing in hydrogen fuel technology. Renewable energy initiatives. Understanding the global shift towards renewable energy, Aramco is exploring investments in solar and wind energy. It's a strategic move as the company aims to balance its traditional oil-based portfolio with future energy solutions. Impact on the global market and economy. Saudi Aramco's influence on the global economy cannot be overstated. As the world's largest oil producer, the company is a crucial player in determining global oil prices. Any fluctuation in Aramco's output has a ripple effect, impacting economies worldwide, from major oil importers to countries that rely on oil revenue. In addition to being an economic powerhouse, Aramco plays a vital role in the development of Saudi Arabia. The company's revenues fund large-scale infrastructure projects, healthcare, education, and even the development of new cities like Neom, a futuristic city that is a key part of Vision 2030. Aramco's profits have not only enriched the kingdom, but have also provided stability and growth in the Middle East region. Furthermore, Aramco's partnerships with global energy companies and investments in international markets have strengthened economic ties between Saudi Arabia and other nations. The company's reach extends to refineries and storage facilities worldwide, making it an integrated part of the global energy supply chain. Challenges and adaptation. Running a global oil empire comes with its own set of challenges. Saudi Aramco has had to navigate geopolitical tensions, fluctuations in global oil prices, and the increasing demand for sustainable energy solutions. Being based in the Middle East, Aramco faces significant geopolitical challenges. The 2019 drone attacks on its facilities at Abqaiq and Khurayh were a stark reminder of the vulnerabilities in the oil supply chain. Despite these challenges, Aramco's swift recovery efforts demonstrated its resilience and robust crisis management. As the world shifts towards renewable energy, Aramco faces the existential challenge of staying relevant. The global push for carbon neutrality by mid-century has compelled Aramco to think beyond oil. Their investment in technologies like carbon capture, clean hydrogen, and renewable energy projects shows their commitment to adapting to a changing world. The future. So, what does the future hold for Saudi Aramco? The company has laid out ambitious plans to transition into more sustainable practices while maximizing oil and gas production. Saudi Aramco is heavily investing in Vision 2030, which seeks to diversify Saudi Arabia's economy and reduce its dependence on oil. Aramco is also exploring new technologies like blue hydrogen, which could become a major energy source as the world seeks to lower carbon emissions. The company aims to be a key player not just in oil, but in the broader energy landscape of the future. Their continued investments in digital transformation, artificial intelligence, and renewable energy sources will likely define their next chapter. Balancing tradition and innovation. Aramco is in a unique position where it must balance its role as a leading oil producer with the demands for environmental sustainability. The company is investing in research to make oil production more efficient and less environmentally damaging, while also diversifying its portfolio. And that wraps up our journey into the world of Saudi Aramco. From its humble beginnings in the deserts of Saudi Arabia to becoming the world's most valuable company, Aramco's story is a testament to the power of innovation, resilience, and strategic planning. As the world shifts towards a more sustainable future, all eyes are on Aramco to see how it will adapt and lead in this new era. If you enjoyed today's episode and want more deep dives into billion-dollar businesses, make sure to like, subscribe to Billion-Dollar Businesses, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Share this video with friends and family who'd love to know more about the world's economic giants. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.